In this micro lecture, we'll take a look at the label, the simplest of the Moodle resources you'll use while designing and laying out your topics. Before we get into this resource, it's important to note that most activities and resources in Moodle use the same text editor. The text editor is very versatile and allows you to add headings, text, images, audio files, embedded videos, links, tables, lists, and more. A label will show up directly on your Moodle page without anything other than what you insert into the text box, so it looks like it's built directly onto the topic page. To add a label, scroll to the bottom of your topic and select the Create Learning Activity option. Navigate to the Resources tab and select Label. Now you can insert content into the text editor. I'm going to insert a heading, a little bit of text, and an icon image. To add a heading, I will type out what I want it to say first. For example, readings. Now I'm going to highlight that text and select the A icon. I will start with a heading 3 for this label. Now I'll add some text. To add an image, you'll want to decide where you want the image to be inserted. I want the image to come before the text, so I'll move my cursor to the beginning. There are two options for bringing in images. You can choose to drag and drop your image from the file manager, or you can choose to locate that file with a file picker. I think it's easier to drag and drop, so just simply locate your file and drag it into the text box. If you use this method to add your images, you will need to go into the image options by double-clicking the image. Go ahead and provide alternative text for your image and change the size and alignment as desired. Great, now let's go see what this looks like on our topic page. I'll go ahead and choose Save and Return to Course. We can see that now we have a little section where we can easily move, duplicate, and hide or show this content. Labels are not necessarily intended for large amounts of text. It's common to see labels used for adding heading structure to your topics, adding visuals such as icons and dividers, and for embedding videos.